How to change speed on TikTok videos. All you have to do is to go to your TikTok application directly and it will lead you to your home page. Now, the next thing that you want to do is on the bottom part, you will see five different options there. You will see home, shop, the plus icon, inbox, and profile. Just tap on the plus icon here and it will lead you to your camera. Now, first things first, if you already have the video or you have already a video and you want to upload a video and change the speed, you cannot do it here on TikTok, which means you can only record the video here. You can only record, you can only change the speed of the TikTok video if it's directly uploaded from here. So let's say now to be able to do that is on the right side, you will see different icons there. So you may want to tap on the times one there. So it is actually the normal speed. Now, if you want to have a fast forward video, you have to tap on the times 3 icon there. Now, if you will record a video, it is now on fast forward. The after product is fast forward. Now, as you can see here, the time is actually very slow, which means if you record a video, it's actually in slow motion, but the after product will be in a fast forward speed. Now, basically, that is how you change speed on TikTok video. And if it doesn't work, make sure that you have updated your TikTok application. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please give us some thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.